traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, July 7th, and this is my recap of the top of videos from Friday. And on Friday, the Euro-US dollar came in number 2, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the Euro dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So Euro dollar, I think, is very obviously in a wave 1 and a wave 2. Most likely we're in a wave 3 right now, subdivisions of that wave 3. And it looks to me like a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and a 3 of 3. So most likely we're only in a wave 3 of 3. We are not even close to a Fibonacci level from the daily time frame, so I would definitely still continue to look for pullback entries. I don't even think the wave 3 is over, and I would expect it to end maybe at the 78 or the 100% of the last move down on the daily time frame. So definitely still looking for longs at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.